Hello! I'm sure you know that we are a part of a system called the solar system. And we also know that there are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. But what if we learn something more and not just how many planets there are in our solar system? I'm sure there's more to our solar system, right? So, my friends, here are some really 5 exciting facts about our solar system. Number 1. Our solar system is really old. It's ancient. From a dense cloud of interstellar dust and gas, our solar system formed about 4.5 billion years ago. Yes, this is true. We exist in a system that's very old. From a giant rotating cloud of dust and gas, our sun together with our solar system formed, and here we are existing together on a blue planet called Earth. How amazing is that? Number 2. There are rocks on Earth that come from Mars. It is very easy to believe that planets don't exchange anything among each other since they are very well separated from one another. But remember, our solar system is not a safe place because of constant asteroid strikes and collisions. However, planets are really huge to get affected by the smaller asteroids. But when the bigger asteroids hit a planet, impacts could be really big that can take the debris out of the planet. Earth itself has a lot of craters, which show big impacts of asteroid striking. Astronomers believe that 1 million years ago, something big crashed into Mars and sent rocks rushing through the solar system. After hurtling through space, one of those rocks passed through Earth's atmosphere, breaking into smaller pieces. These smaller pieces then land on Earth and they look like rocks to us. Hence, there are some rocks on Earth that come from Mars which are dated to 1 million years ago. Number 3. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Confused? On Earth, a year is when Earth completes one revolution around the Sun, right? Meaning it takes Earth 365 days, which is 1 year, to complete one orbit around the Sun. Similarly, for us, 1 day equals 24 hours because Earth takes 24 hours to rotate once on its axis. Hence, we get 24 hours in 1 day. However, Venus rotates very slowly on its axis but revolves faster around the Sun. Weird, right? Basically, it takes Venus 243 days to rotate on its axis, and it takes 225 days to revolve around the Sun. So, it takes less time to complete one orbit around the Sun and more time to complete one rotation on its axis. So, a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. You don't have to wait for your birthday to come anymore because you might end up celebrating it every day. Number 4. Jupiter's largest moon has a salty ocean that contains more water than Earth. Jupiter's largest moon, also the largest moon in our solar system, Ganymede, has a salty ocean that contains more water than Earth. Scientists using the Hubble Space Telescope found a salty ocean beneath the surface of Ganymede. The ocean is buried under a thick crust of ice that could actually harbor more water than Earth's surface water combined. Scientists have found that Jupiter's largest moon shows signs of flooding as well. How amazing is that? Who would have ever thought that even moons can have floods? Number 5. Uranus rotates on its side. Unlike any other planet, Uranus rotates on its side. Uranus takes about 17 hours to rotate once on its axis, meaning a day in Uranus is just 17 hours. Living in Uranus would be fun because school timings would be shorter there. Now notice each of these planets. Don't they seem to rotate just fine? Now look at Uranus. Doesn't it seem to rotate a little differently? Uranus is the only planet with a tilt of 97.77 degrees. This unique tilt must have been the result of a collision with an Earth-sized object long ago. Uranus is the only planet with the most extreme seasons, and this could be because of its unique tilt. Due to this tilt, the other half of the planet goes through a 21-year-long dark winter. Imagine having winter for 21 years straight. Sounds scary, right? Our solar system is amazing because each planet and even the moons have a different story to tell. Every planet and every moon is unique, and that's what makes our solar system so amazing. So I hope you enjoyed learning a little more about our solar system.